Welcome back to my channel. Let's learn to crochet chains and this beautiful cord from them. I am using for 0.5 millimeters crochet hook and lion brand yarn. We will make this first loop by turning the yarn to the right side, by keeping the open-ended yarn at the bottom. Then pull the yarn from the loop to make a slip knot. Or we can make it with the crochet hook as well. So open-ended yarn on the top. Put your crochet hook under the yarn. And then rotate it anti-clockwise. So it will make a loop and then hold on to it. Then yarn over the crochet hook. Pull through the loop and then tighten it. So this is our slip knot. This yarn width. Then again yarn over the hook. Inside this hook tip here. Keep this yarn on the left loose, not too tight, and then pull through the loop here the slip knot loop. So we crocheted our first chain. So again grab the yarn over the hook, through inside of the hook tip, and then pull through the loop here. Again, yarn over the hook inside of the hook tip, and pull through the loop here. Again yarn over the hook and pull through the loop. Again you have this loop. Yarn over the hook and pull through this loop here. So we learned and crocheted 5 chains together. So yarn over the hook and through this loop here. Grab the yarn and through this loop here. Then you just repeat the same process. So I've made 100 chains for these two already. Let's do a little faster. So we will do the 100 chains for the blue as well to make the cord. Let's count our chains from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From here 8, 9, and 10. From these chains, and I'll see you in a bit. So I have made 100 chains for this color as well. Now for the cord making, we will tie these 3 off at the top. So remember 2 of these. 2 of these, so just a regular knot to secure them. Make a knot. So then we sew the middle one is here and then separate these 3. Then the left one goes on top of the middle one. And then the right one goes on top of the middle one. Then again sew the left one on top of the middle one. And then sew the right side one on top of the middle one. Sew the right one on top of the middle one here. Then again left one on top of the middle one. Then again right one on top of the middle one. Then just repeat. Each keep this one straight. And then right one on top of the middle one. So you can secure it with anything heavy. From the top or here, you can just keep doing it with your hand as well. You can tie it with left and bottom right one, or you can just put something heavy. So one on top of the middle one, on top of the middle one, so one on top of the middle one, on top of the middle, right one on top of the middle. Just tie these ones off and secure it. So you, if you like, so take 2 with any of the other one. Just make a knot and tighten it. And then do it with the other ones as well. Other 2.